Hello everyone, today we will learn what is Java, how to install specific software to run Java applications, and what our first program is. So first let's start with what is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Essentially you can run whenever and wherever you want. Thus, this means it is platform independent. So before we explain how this process works, let us first install the software and required tools for Java. There is also something called a JDK, the Java Development Kit. This is needed by developers if they are wanting to make applications, and it also has something called the Java Runtime Environment. The Java Runtime Environment is part of this toolkit, and it gives us the ability to run these applications in the first place on the computer. The JRE, Java Runtime Environment, contains something called the Java Virtual Machine. I will explain more of this later, but first there is something called source code, which is what we write in the Java code. And this is readable by us humans, but there's also something called bytecode. Bytecode is the compiled form of this source code. This is not necessarily understandable by us humans. So the Java virtual machine facilitates this translation of the source code to the bytecode. I will explain more of this in the next video. So search for JDK, click the first link, scroll down to the latest JDK version, and download according to your operating system. Wait for it to install. Click next. First, open your browser. Search for Eclipse or any other IDE. IDE is basically the area where we will write our computer program in. You can click the official website. After clicking on the official website, you can then download. According to your operating system, click the link. Once you click open file, it will open the installer. Just click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then click install. Once you have clicked launch, it should open the software. Click create a Java project. Enter any name you want. I will enter the project. Then click finish. Then we will need to create our class file. The class file is essentially the blueprint where objects will be created. Hence, Java is an object-oriented programming language. I will explain more later. Let us call it the class. We will also create a package. Essentially, the package is like a folder in which we have many files stored, and packages usually have many classes inside them, and they're sort of related. Package names usually start with a lowercase letter. So we will enter everything in lowercase. Then click this public static void main. This is the first starting program. First we have the package, then we have the class, then we have this in the middle. This essentially is the building block of all classes. It is necessary if you want to run a Java application. However, this is not present in every single class. First we will enter a print statement. First enter system.out.println, bracket, then enter a quotation mark and enter hello world. Then we will close this with a semicolon. This statement will allow us to print the output to the console. So when we run the application, it will say hello world. So hello world will be displayed as a message. Click file, click save. Once you have saved your Java file, you will click run. As you can see, it printed out hello world. This is the first basic Java program every programmer makes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.